So in this recipe, I'm going to show you how to make an aioli, which is a really, really simple variation on mayonnaise. So it's basically a clove of garlic, which I'm going to chop up nice and fine, like so. And then to that I'm going to add some salt. This is sea salt, coarse sea salt, and keep chopping it. And the salt, actually, the abrasiveness of the salt is going to release that lovely garlic oil, which will flavour the aioli. So give it a bit of a scrape on the board, really mash it up, and then straight into a bowl. Now comes the mayonnaise part. So I've got an egg here, so I'll separate the yolk and the white. Pop the yolk in there with the garlic. Squeeze the lemon juice and start whisking. I've got olive oil here. And like with the mayonnaise, start off very, very slowly. Now I can see it starting to thicken, starting to change colour, so I can add the oil a bit faster now. I can be confident it's not going to split, he says. And now it's starting to really thicken up, and it's now proper mayonnaise consistency. A bit of seasoning, a bit of sea salt, give that a quick taste. Amazing. This goes so well with fried fish, goes really well with fried vegetables, frito misto, things like that. Absolutely wonderful, worth doing from scratch.